In this video, we'll look at managing user access to the system, specifically remote access, specific access on days and times, as well as limiting access to specific patients in your system. To begin, you must be an admin or have access to the security page. From the security page on the left, click User. The list of users who have access to your system will be displayed. To set up or configure remote access, navigate to the patient in question and click on the little remote access cogwheel on the right-hand side. This opens the Setup Remote Access page for your user. Starting at the top, you have the ability to limit access to your system from certain locations. If you only want to give access to your system to this user from a specific PC, you have the ability to enter its IP address in the field. This limits the access for this user to only that IP location. If no information is listed in these fields, then the user will have the ability to access the system from any IP location. Below, we can limit access based on days and times. In this case, user John Smith only has access to the system from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. We're going to remove the access for Sunday. Should our user need to be restricted from any specific patients in the system, for example, celebrity patients, you can limit the use of that patient's information from this user by identifying the patient here. This user will not be allowed to access that specific patient's information. If emergency access is allowed, you can set that here, and then also restrict that emergency access to not allow access to the complete chart or to create a new encounter during that emergency access time. We can also limit to read-only access if needed. Once all the fields are filled in, click Save, and your user has been successfully updated.